Preparing for planting season. How silica gel safeguards your seeds and garden equipment. In the world of outdoor exploration and adventure, where nature's elements are unpredictable, silica gel emerges as an indispensable ally. Its exceptional moisture-absorbing prowess takes center stage in safeguarding your outdoor equipment. Whether it's camping gear, compasses, or other essentials, silica gel ensures that your gear remains dry, free from the debilitating effects of moisture, and always ready for the next expedition. It's the silent guardian that allows you to explore with confidence, knowing that your equipment is protected against the challenges of the great outdoors. Dive into the world of silica gel and experience limitless adventures, secure in the knowledge that your gear is safeguarded. Buy now or more info, click the link. More info, click the link in bio.